mobile savvy vis-a-vis an internet savvy customer, or let's say a PC based internet savvy customer, though these are two different set of people. How it's impacting now in India is, as a fact, we all know that mobiles is what is leading this entire shift in the way consumers purchase and they interact with brands. So two ways. One, a typical, let's say, coming from a sales background, I would say, is the way we look at the data, the way we look at their consumptions, the way we look at movement. So we need to now evolve our processes to see how we are able to address and what are those processes that will help us understand whether we are on the right track for serving these mobile savvy customers or not. The other one is in the way we provide these mobile savvy customers with the information that they are looking at. So be it in terms of let's say the media that they consume, is it through a YouTube that they go through, so does our marketing effort now take that into consideration, and or be it as simple a fact as a SMS or let's say presence on WhatsApp tomorrow, how do we make sure that they consume the relevant information? And then I think the big challenge where sales teams processes will get aligned with this is, once they have consumed, how do we then translate that information of where they have consumed or what information they have consumed back into a geographical availability of our goods. So just to give you an example, let's say we have if in a place like say Chandigarh for that matter, we have consumers consuming information about a certain brand or a certain launch that we have done, and we see that the information consumption is far greater in a particular sector of Chandigarh, we can then very well transform that information into our partner for that area, making that particular product available in that space. And the focus then, instead of being on entire Chandigarh or being on entire Punjab, shifts to that particular sector and making sure that these consumers who have already liked the brand really come there and they are not disappointed by the choice not being available. Now, that's a very simple sort of an example, but I think that the possibilities on how we will evolve our processes are immense. Again, on the area of how we are able to analyze this vast amount of data that's available, how we are able to provide information to these consumers on the go, so to say. Okay, that's what I think will lead to this entire process development bit.